everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are here in beautiful northwest Sanford, Florida today. An area called Water's Edge. I'm gonna do a roof inspection, and I always do these short, quick videos, and I was gonna take a couple minutes here and just kind of give you guys an insight as to how I do a roof inspection. First thing I'll do when I have a house to go to is I want to do like a Google Earth, kind of find out what house I'm looking at, where we're going, know the area. You want to know what area you're going to. This is a beautiful area of northwest Sanford. Then I'll sometimes pull a roof report on it, but then I'll familiarize myself with any storm activity recently in this area, kind of know what I'm going for. Another thing I'll do when I get to the area I'm going to, as you're coming into the neighborhood, you'll want to kind of keep an eye on what's going on in the neighborhood. What kind of activity? Are there tarps? Are there new roofs? Are the roofs really old? Kind of just give you an idea of what you're getting into. Always be prepared before you get to the roof. Save you a lot of time. Know your area. Know the construction of the homes in the area. Am I going to a flat roof with a tar and gravel, low slope? Am I going to a tile roof? Am I going to an area that has condos, townhouses? Just know the construction and know the age of the homes. This area has been around for 20-25 years, this Water's Edge area. So I know what I'm looking at here. Now I'm just gonna go up here and do a roof inspection real quick. Here's the house we're looking at. As I've showed you the area, I think. A beautiful area here off the St. John's tributaries. Love doing roof inspections in our own backyard. We've got an old architectural shingle here. Got a lot of wear on it. Here's some definite wind damage. As you can see, these shingles have been pulled up and creased. This is actually torn through. When you see the shingles that are torn through the nails, that's a wind-related issue. This roof's got a lot of hail damage on it as well. You see some circular pattern there. Got a horrible chimney issue here. This chimney needs to come down and be rebuilt. That's definitely an area of concern. Some leaks. This is a bad area over here. This kind of tree coverage, there's not a lot to look at. A lot of algae. Of course, I want to inspect the ridge vents, see what kind of damage they have. But this is an old roof. The one thing I did notice when I pulled up is the house is for sale. So that's probably going to eliminate our desire or need to file an insurance claim on this. We're going to help these people out though with a great estimate. We like to take care of people in our own backyard. Don't like to see other roofing companies doing work right here in our neighborhoods. So anyway, this is kind of what we're looking at. Maybe you guys give you a couple insight pointers on what to look for in a roof inspection. Be prepared before you get there. I mean, the easy part's getting on the roof and looking for what kind of condition it's in. But know your area, know the storm activity in that area, know the construction of the homes. I've already pulled a roof report on this. I've done the research before I showed up. Kind of saves a lot of time. Anyway, you guys, this is Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. Be kind to each other. Have a great day.